Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of this video. We'll dive deeper into advanced techniques for achieving outstanding sound quality in your vehicle. Choosing the right equipment. When it comes to optimizing the bass performance in your car audio system, choosing the right equipment is crucial. In this section, we will delve into the key factors to consider when selecting subwoofers and amplifiers for the best bass sound in your vehicle. Subwoofer selection. Selecting the right subwoofer is essential for achieving deep and powerful bass in your car audio setup. There are several factors to consider when choosing a subwoofer. Power handling. Consider the power handling capability of the subwoofer, which indicates how much power it can handle without getting damaged. Match the subwoofer's power handling with your amplifier's output for optimal performance. Enclosure types. Different enclosure types, such as sealed, ported, or bandpass, can significantly impact the bass output. Determine the type of enclosure that best complements your vehicle and audio preferences. Impedance. Pay attention to the impedance rating of the subwoofer, as it affects how much power is drawn from the amplifier. Ensure that the subwoofer's impedance is compatible with your amplifier for efficient power transfer and quality bass reproduction. Amplifier matching. Matching the amplifier with your speakers and subwoofers correctly is vital for achieving balanced bass output and preventing distortion. Here are some guidelines to follow. Power ratings. Match the amplifier's power output with the power handling of your subwoofer to prevent underpowering or overpowering, which can lead to sound quality issues. Impedance matching. Ensure that the amplifier's impedance matches that of the speakers and subwoofers to prevent impedance mismatches that can degrade sound quality. Amplifier classes. Understand the different amplifier classes such as Class A, Class AB, and Class D, and how they affect sound quality and efficiency. Choose an amplifier class that suits your audio requirements and complements your subwoofer and speaker setup. By carefully selecting and matching your subwoofers and amplifiers, you can optimize the bass performance in your car audio system, delivering the immersive and powerful sound experience you desire. Fine-tuning your sound system. After installing your car audio system, the next step to get the best bass performance is fine-tuning. Adjusting your sound settings can make a significant difference in enhancing the bass and overall audio quality. Here's how to fine-tune your sound system effectively. Equalizer settings. When it comes to boosting bass without sacrificing the audio balance, pay attention to your equalizer settings. To enhance the bass response, consider increasing the low-frequency bands on your equalizer. Boosting frequencies between 60 Hz and 250 Hz can amplify the bass effect in your car's audio system. Additionally, adjusting the EQ levels can help fine-tune the bass to your liking. Experiment with different levels while playing bass-heavy tracks to find the right balance. Keep in mind that too much bass boost can lead to distortion, so make gradual changes to achieve the desired effect. Sound testing. Conducting sound tests is crucial in evaluating the quality of your bass output. Listen for clarity, distortion, and overall balance in the audio. Play a variety of songs with different bass levels to test how your system handles various frequencies. To test the clarity, pay attention to how distinct the bass sounds are from other audio elements. Distortion can indicate that the bass is overpowering the speakers, leading to a decrease in sound quality. Aim for a balanced sound where the bass complements the overall audio without overshadowing other frequencies. By fine-tuning your equalizer settings and conducting sound tests, you can optimize your car audio system for the best bass performance and overall audio quality. Experiment with different settings and take the time to listen carefully to achieve the ideal sound that suits your preferences. Maintaining bass quality. To ensure your car's bass sounds its best, maintaining the quality of your audio components is essential. Regular cleaning and inspection play a crucial role in preserving the longevity and performance of your bass. Cleaning and inspection. Regularly cleaning your audio components is key to keeping your bass in top condition. Dust can accumulate on speakers and components, affecting sound quality over time. Using a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe down surfaces can help prevent dust buildup. Pay special attention to vents and openings where dust tends to gather. Inspecting your audio system for any signs of wear or damage is also important. Check cables, connections and speaker cones for any issues that could impact sound quality. Addressing these problems early can prevent further damage and maintain optimal bass performance. Temperature and humidity control. Temperature and humidity levels can greatly affect the performance of your car audio system, including the bass. Extreme temperatures and high humidity can lead to condensation and corrosion of audio components, impacting sound quality. To safeguard your audio equipment, store your car in a garage or shaded area to avoid prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Consider using a dehumidifier or moisture-absorbing products in your vehicle to regulate humidity levels and prevent damage to your bass and audio components. By incorporating these maintenance tips into your routine checks and upkeep, you can ensure that your car's bass quality remains consistent for the long term, delivering the best audio experience possible while on the road. In conclusion, optimizing the bass in your car audio system is key to unlocking a truly immersive and enjoyable listening experience on the go. By following the tips discussed in this blog post, such as adjusting the EQ settings, upgrading your speakers, and considering sound deadening materials, you can enhance the quality of the bass in your car to new heights. Remember, a well-balanced bass not only adds depth and richness to your music, but also ensures that every beat is felt. So don't hesitate to apply these practical suggestions and take your car audio system to the next level of sonic bliss. We hope you've gained valuable insights into maximizing your audio system's performance. With the tips and techniques covered in both parts, you're well equipped to enjoy a truly immersive audio experience on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.